everyone, I'm Dr. Sajna. Welcome to Dr. Sajna's Ayur blog and thank you for subscribing and supporting my videos. Today let's discuss about hypertension and its causes and all. Nowadays, each and everyone and each and every second is passing through a stressful life, and we are inviting an unwanted guest into our body, that is hypertension, blood pressure. It's a force of the blood flow against the arterial wall. While getting a blood pressure value, we get two values, that is higher value, one lower value. What is that? One is systolic blood pressure. It's the higher value, that is during the heartbeats, then when the heart pumps the blood out. The lower value, that is between the heartbeats. During that, the heart muscles relax and it receives the blood. So these are the two values, and its normal range from 110/70 to 140/90. It will be differ for person to person. It is not necessary 120/80 is normal to everyone. In some persons, we can see 140/90 is their normal value. If it is reduced, they feel illness or disturbed. So, according to person, it differ. If you feel the symptoms like headache, dizziness, weak, lethargy, sleeplessness, stressful sleep or anxiety, you may notice red spots in your eyes. These all are maybe because of high blood pressure. So the proper timely knowing is very important. If you are feeling the symptoms like that, you should go and get your BP value done, and if it is high, go for a consultation. And why it causes? Why the BP is fluctuating? It's all because of our lifestyle only. Lack of exercise, no proper diet, heavy fatty diet, high sodium intake, less potassium intake, improper sleep, smoking, alcohol, all will cause high blood pressure. High blood pressure have two types of causes. That is primary cause, there is unknown cause like lack of exercise, maybe because of sleep or hormone imbalances, hereditary, like that of course. But in secondary cause, there will be a non-cause like kidney disease, adrenal gland cancer or Cushing syndrome. Here the cortisol hormone production will be more, like hyperthyroidism, hyperparathyroidism, diabetes. These all will give hypertension. So in this condition, we have a non-cause, so treat according to that. Hypertension is a very riskiest disease because have lot of complications like heart attack, stroke, atherosclerosis, aneurysm. There's lot of damages, even death. So proper timely management is very important. In Ayurveda, we are giving a proper lifestyle management, including medicine, without any chemicals, without any side effects, and we can control our BP and get a good life without any stress for our body to pump the blood. So in my next video, I will be giving a 1 month challenge. It is positively success in our clinics because within 1 month, the blood pressure is controlled tremendously. And you can also follow these simple tips and control our BP and have a very smooth life. Thank you, and watch my next video with 1 month challenge.